I'm at the biggest IT convention in Singapore, Comex 2024, happening at Suntec Convention Center. I'll be doing things very differently this time round. I'll be finding out what's the latest products that all these top brands have, so that you, the customer, my viewers, my subscribers, are informed with the latest and greatest tech products in Singapore. Let's go. For Secret Lab is their new collab with Lamborghini. When you hear the name Secret Lab, you think of saying, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. And that's exactly the vibe they are sticking with. Their Titan Evo chair has been massive hit since the launch in 2022. And Secret Lab's strategy for keeping it fresh is all about high-profile collaborations. From partnering with iconic IPs like Game of Thrones and Demon Slayer, they are now taking it up a notch with a Lamborghini edition. The chair comes in 2 colors. The design is inspired by the contours of a Lamborghini and the textures found in many Lamborghini's interior. You will also find the Italian flag colors subtly featured at the base. And of course, the Lamborghini logo proudly displayed on the back. With that, there is a premium price. There is no discount, there is no deal. It's gonna cost you $999. I'm at Ergotune and this is their new Vespi ergonomic chair. Designed in Singapore by Singaporeans. It features quite a lot of things. Let me show you. Handle, you can do this. You can also adjust the base of the handle, adjust the seat. You can adjust the height, of course. You can lock and unlock the reclining. You can also adjust the lumbar support and the headrest. You can adjust the whole back as well. So they really put the custom in customizable. You can also put in puppets, so you can have your own design. This is definitely a very interesting ergonomic chair, especially because it's designed in Singapore. I would love to cover the full process of how they designed and how they made this chair. So look out for that. I'm at the Aftershock booth and they are going into AI technology. They're gonna sell PCs with the Gigabyte AI top GPUs. So this is not going to be for consumer, this is going to be for people that need AI. At the moment, it's generating an image based on the Logi webcam. I'm in the image and it's generating an image based on the prompt. So let's try. Nature cyberpunk. It's a bit contradictory to say nature as cyberpunk, but it's more under cyberpunk. Look at my arm. Oh, look at my arm. Oh, my girl. This is not for the regular consumers. It's for companies that want AI. This is all offline. There's no cloud. So very cool. Next move. Here at JulianTechTM, I make them do things. I'm at Dreamcore PC and they have an exclusive product. It's the World of Warcraft 20th Anniversary 4070 Super. And just look at the design. Look at the back. Oh my god. And you have even the GPU stand. The question is, do you have other components to match this GPU? I don't know, but man, look at this blue. It's like royal blue. There's also different back plates. You can get like a wallpaper. Ooh, look at that. I think this one's still the best. It's just, I like the blue is so nice. Blue is not my favorite color, but this blue is premium. 1169. Only at Dreamcore PC. For Prism Plus is the Mini LED QLED U series. We have the 65-inch model and the 75-inch model. 120Hz refresh rate, 2299 and 2899, which is below the market price for the size of the TV. Especially worth it when they have their deal. So for example, in Comex, you can buy it for 1,618 for the 65-inch and 2,225-inch for the bigger one. But if you're watching this, it's probably over. So do look out for it. What to expect? Crisp image, very bright. If you actually compare, you can see it's a lot brighter than the other televisions. There's basically multiple backlights of the TV, so that it's not, I forgot what's it called, like the glare. Like sometimes you can see like the light, the side panel light. It's not a really good viewing experience. So yeah, Mini LED, quick one. Let's go to the next booth. For Prism Plus monitors is their 49AL 240Hz monitor. 49-inch, response time of 0.3 ms, HDR 400, and it's super ultra wide. Resolution is a 5120x1440, and this is selling for $1,954. It's not going to be cheap, but it's huge. Probably good for racing, productivity, seamless. Not my cup of tea, but I can get why people like ultra wide monitors. Next product. This is Hisense S7 Canvas TV. It looks like a painting, but it's not. It's a TV. It has a high matte display, so it doesn't glare, making it look like a painting. This is competing with Samsung's Canvas TV, but at a fraction of the cost. If I'm not wrong, Samsung televisions are like 3K for this Canvas TV. This is 2099, and also it doesn't have a AC to DC adapter because everything is in the television. So if you have your force wall, there's one less power brick to be behind the wall. Some specs for this television: QLED, 4K AI upscaler, comes in 55 and 65 inch, motion detector, so it will turn off by itself and then it will turn on if people walk past it. For now, there's only one frame, but by right you can choose different frames. There is a lighter color, like more white, and a darker wood color. 144 Hz refresh rate, native. I never do anything. And honestly, this kind of, we call it innovations, design, is a bit of an art piece in your living room. People can be like, why you put a painting there? And then you're like, no, this is a television. There's game mode also, so you can plug in your PS5, Xbox, play games. At Comex 2024, you have a instant lucky catch. No minimal spending. You can win a $8,999 massage chair and a 3K gaming PC from Dreamcore. Massage chair.
Yeah.
What's this?
Video monitor.
I want a monitor. I want a monitor.
Congratulations.
I never want anything in my life. I swear this is not scripted. Okay, thank you. And yeah, there is Comex 2024. I really didn't expect to win a monitor. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. How about that? How about a giveaway? Like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram, and I'll figure out how to give this away. So if you're looking to get that lucky draw, go and check out the other events. There's IT show, there's going to be 2025. There's Comex. So go to their website, figure out what's the next event, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know how you think about this format of video, telling you all new products, what to expect, especially in Singapore. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. I someone recognize me. I'm done.